Hello, good morning. My name is Jose Mejia with Triple J Digital Marketing. Good morning, Vanessa. I spoke with you a little while ago, and as promised, here's your website audit video. So I'm going to be showing you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who's an expert and who's not. Now, I found by giving away this free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business, a lot of businesses take this information and do it themselves, but some call me back and have me do it for them. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you heard and seen the things that can help your business with, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan for you to do it yourself, by all means that works for me as well. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. So the first thing we're going to see is to go over is content. So I'm here seeing your site, and I see that your site is very well built. There's a few pictures here kind of out of focus that I can see. I'm not sure if it's something in my computer or that's just the way it is. The layout is good, which is obviously very good for visitors seeing your site for the first time. The services, the logo, I like the logo here as well. So usually when we talk about content, we're talking about the words that are on your homepage. You guys need at least 1,500 words to be optimized with Google. Now Google loves content and their websites, so you guys have about 223 words on the homepage. Now your competitors, being the Merry Maids, their word count is 545 on their homepage, which is very beatable even though they have more than you guys. But in addition to this, the more content you have, the more you look like an expert in Google's eyes. So you'll want to beat out your competitors. If they have 1,000 words, then you want to have 1,500 and so on. Now, when somebody searches for a search phrase, such as cleaning services Los Angeles, Google crawls those websites on the internet, searching and ranking the results. Now this, I'm going to show you, this is a paid service that I use to research websites called Ahrefs. Now Google is looking for keywords and is looking for what the site should be found for. So if you have the exact words on your homepage listed multiple times on your site, you're going to be really relevant for that search. And Google is going to be willing to put you higher in the results. Now taking a look here, the keywords that you have currently ranking, it's freshen your nest, nest clearing, nest commercials, which kind of is not relevant to your website because you guys focus on cleaning services. The competitors' keywords have a lot of keywords that are relevant to the industry, the cleaning industry. Cleaning services Los Angeles, Los Angeles cleaning services. Now if you guys apply these keywords on your site, you will be ranking for those keywords and ranking your website as well. Now the second thing I want to cover with you is another important aspect to Google: backlinks and URL and DR ratings. Now I put your competitor's name into this program and we can see what we're up against. The UR rating shows how powerful your website is in the eyes of Google. Here they have a 6 out of 100. Now the DR rating is a trust rating, which is 71 for them, meaning how much Google trusts your website. So an important way of raising these numbers is through backlinks, which we can see over here. A backlink is basically a shout out or an endorsement from another website. With this program, we can actually see what links they have and attain them for your website. It's literally like a popularity contest where the website with the most backlinks wins people. However, not all links are created equal, so it's worth noting that backlinks need to be relevant to your industry and local websites work well. Now, moving on to the next visible section is the third most important thing. We're showing here the map pack on the Google results page. So I went ahead and did a Google search for cleaning services Los Angeles. This is called a map pack, this section here. And the top 3 listed here are the ones that receive a lot of the work because they're super easy to find and are listed right away. Now, some things you can do to get listed in here are have a Google Business Profile or GBP, fill out as much as possible, name, number, hours, photos, etc. And number 3, put your name, address, and phone number into as many relevant directories as possible. Now, these are called citations. A citation is anywhere your business name, phone number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google Business Profile or GBP. Citations help you rank in this map pack here, which is extremely important for local businesses since these can generate a huge amount of revenue. Citations are included in directories like Yelp, Angie, Expertise, Better Business Bureau, and 100 of others you may have heard of. Social media accounts are great too. Now, the idea is for your site to begins to be found by Google all over the internet. So the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you, and once Google sees more often than these competitors, the more likely it is for you to rank above your competition. Now, the websites here listed below are called the organics. Now, you also want to be listed on the top 3 so that most amount of people will find you. Now, closing on this, it looks like if you were to get more content and keywords on your site, increase your UR and DR ratings, and get some high quality backlinks and citations, you could be bringing in a lot more calls for your business and to start to outgrow your competitors online as well. So I'm not sure what your margins are, but I imagine that this will generate some decent revenue for you with more traffic. So this is what I do for a living, and I do hope this video was helpful, and I greatly appreciate hearing your thoughts or questions. Now, if you do find yourself wanting more to continue scaling as far as you want, feel free to reach out and I can help you with some more information, or we can talk about your goals. And I can do some research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. Now again, my name is Jose Mejia with Triple J Digital Marketing. Feel free to reach out. Thanks so much again for watching. I really hope this helps. Have a great day.